Hello. This is the first question that we are going to draw. This question is from the section of solid, and read the question. The question is a square pyramid with 40 mm side. Okay. So 65 mm long. It is based on HP and all the edges of the base equally inclined to vertical plane. It is cut by a section plane perpendicular to the vertical plane inclined 45 degree to the horizontal plane, and bisecting the axis. Draw sectional top view, sectional side view, and true shape of the section. It is similar as we know all the how to draw a solid. So we need to first draw solid. So the base here, base. So here, base on horizontal plane. Okay, so the base, this is square pyramid. Okay, and base is on HP. So base, the square face, the true shape of the base will come on horizontal plane. So draw first XY line, and draw below the XY line. You need to draw base of the pyramid. Okay, so one more thing is written here. Okay, so these are the edges. How many edges? 4 edges. Okay, so the edges are basically edges of the base equally inclined to the vertical plane. Okay, so equally inclined, that means making 45 degree. So this is 40 mm, inclined 45 degree, and do all this as I am doing. Okay, all the edges 45 degree inclined with the vertical plane, and do similar. Mark the point, mark the edge, corner A, B, C, D. The center apex is O. Draw the projection upward for front view. Okay. So this is the axis. Axis is given here in the question. Axis is 65 mm long. Okay. So we have done this kind of questions already in solid. Okay. Okay. Mark all these points: A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, all the corners, and apex is O dash. Okay. So one more thing, what we need to do is here the cutting plane. Okay. So for the sectional view, or the sectional, for the sectioning, okay, so we always require a cutting plane for cutting the solid. So how will you do? So here the section plane perpendicular to vertical plane and inclined 45 degree with the higher horizontal plane, and bisecting the axis. So axis is 65 mm long. This axis O dash and B dash D dash. Okay, axis. This axis from the O passing is bisecting over here. Okay, the distance is just half of the 65 by 2. Okay, so here this is O dash to this point is just half of the 65, and with the help of cutting plane, this cutting plane need to be darkened at the end. Okay, so this is cutting plane, and this cutting plane is inclined 45 degree with the horizontal plane. Okay, so how will you do you do all? How can we make it inclined with the horizontal plane? Okay, it is cutting the axis at 65 by 2 mm. Okay, so draw to know. So After cutting, okay, this is section of solid, okay, and it is consider that the upper half, the cutting part is being removed, okay. So when we see it, this section of solid, okay, this section of solid from the top, okay, then you will get the sectional top view, okay. Sectional top view, जब हम section of solid को टॉप से देखते हैं, then you will get a sectional top view, okay. When we see it from front, that is sectional front view. When we see it from side, that is sectional side view. And for the true shape, when we see the object, okay, just in front of that that sectional view, okay, sectional view. So draw all these projection, these cutting points. From the cutting, these are slant edges, okay. Will go downward and it is coming over here. We can mark this point 1, and from here, this is center, this is slant edge. All the slant edge is being cut with through the cutting plane or sectional plane. Draw these cutting, okay, and here you will get the point, another point, cutting point, okay. So here from the center, you can see here at the 65/2. First we need to it parallel, okay, parallel to XY line up to the slant edge, and draw a downward over here, okay, and then from the center O, rotate it, okay, both the slant edge O B dash, O dash B dash, and O dash D dash, O dash B dash, and O dash D dash, okay. So how will you do? See, draw one perpendicular downward, and this point we need to shift like this, okay. Join all these cutting points, okay, intersection point we need to end, we need to hatch, and need to be darken the section. This is sectional top view, okay, and the section area, the cutting area, okay, this need to be hatched, okay. After all this, okay, so mark all these cutting point over here, 1 dash 2 dash 3 dash 4 dash, and from the top view, at the top view 1 2 3 4, okay. This is darken. After cutting the front view, the rest of the portion, after removing the top portion, okay, the rest of the portion need to be darkened, and the top view also need to be darkened. What is okay? So the next over here is true shape of the section. True shape of the section, we need one parallel plane, parallel to one plane parallel to cutting plane, okay, or you can directly use this cutting plane, okay. So draw perpendicular through this plane from all the cutting points from the slant edges, 1 dash 2 dash 3 dash 4 dash, okay, perpendicular to this. And mark this point from the XY line, one perpendicular from 1, passing from 1, okay, from 1 one perpendicular from XY line passing through 1. Measure this distance, okay, how much is it, and from the use compass from the 1 dash and mark over here the distance is equal to from this to 1, okay. And similarly draw one more from 2 dash 4 dash, and mark the distance from the XY line to 4, okay, and XY line to 2 in top view, okay, XY line to 4 one perpendicular and XY line to 2. From here mark 2 over here and 4 over here. This is 2, this is 4 from here, okay, and then next is 2, and you know all this is 3, okay, this is 3 is going here, and from here draw one perpendicular, okay, and then perpendicular will come and mark the distance. It is equal to the 1 dash to 1, okay, 1 dash to 1. Join all these marking point, okay. This is sectional true shape of the section, okay. When we see the cutting section, we need to draw one parallel plane, or we have to see the object parallel to cutting, perpendicular to cutting plane, okay. Then you will get this true shape of the object. And then we have to draw sectional side view. Sectional side view, we need to draw one perpendicular, okay, and draw all the projection of the top view horizontally and then shift these projection vertically, okay. This is x1 y1, another plane. D double dash. You may use compass to shift the horizontal projection to vertical projection, okay, or you can directly do inclined for 845 degree. So here raw projection horizontally from the front view, and this is the intersecting here, okay. So this is O double dash, we are making side view. And what we have to do exactly, all the slant edges cutting over here, draw this 3. Where is 3? This 3 is slant edge is O dash C dash, so the O dash C dash is here, so 3 will come over here, okay. O dash C dash, this is slant edge is cutting, O dash C dash, O dash C dash is here, draw horizontal up to here, okay. Mark this 3 double dash, okay. And this is slanted 2 dash B dash 4 dash T dash, so this slant is here D dash over here cutting, so this is D dash O dash, this is slant is over cut here, this is cutting over here, mark this, and the last is 1, okay. So draw it, it will cut over here, A dash O dash, A dash O dash, okay. So here this is 1 dash, 1 double dash. Join all these points, you will get, and darken, we need to darken all the sectional view, okay. After darkening, we need to hatch the cutting section.